Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Messenger payments so you can easily send and receive money directly through your conversations. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your Messenger app where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up your main navigation options. This menu gives you access to all the core settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. This will take you into your Messenger settings dashboard where you can customize various aspects of your app, including your payment methods. The settings section is essentially your control center for managing how Messenger works for you. Now, scroll through the settings until you find the services section. This area contains additional features beyond basic messaging, including tools for payments, privacy controls, and other specialized functions. The services section is where Facebook organizes all the extra functionality that goes beyond simple text conversations. Inside the services section, locate and tap on payments. This opens up your payment management area where you can add, remove, and manage all your payment methods. Having this set up allows you to quickly send money to friends or pay for goods and services without leaving the Messenger app, making transactions incredibly convenient. Next, you'll see an option that says Add New Payment Method. Tap on it to begin the process of linking your financial information to Messenger. This is the gateway to enabling secure money transfers directly through your chats. From the options that appear, go ahead and click Add Debit Card. While Messenger may support other payment methods in some regions, using a debit card is one of the most straightforward and widely accepted options for quick peer-to-peer transfers. Now you'll be prompted to input your card information. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and security code in the appropriate fields. Make sure you double-check each number as you type to avoid any errors. Facebook uses encryption and security measures to protect your financial data, so your information remains safe during and after this process. Once you've entered all your card details, click the Save button. This finalizes the addition of your payment method to Messenger. You might need to wait a moment while the system verifies your card information and links it to your account. And that's it, you've successfully set up Facebook Messenger payments and can now send or receive money instantly through your conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.